Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about the gitignore file that we noticed that we saw it when we were creating repository. So let's see what this file does for us. So here we are inside the welcome repository. So let's try to create maybe a few files. Touch company profile.txt. Let's create some images. Touch image. .jpeg. And then we can maybe do echo, copy this to repo, to be copied.txt. So now if we do git status, we can see that we are going to add all of these files. But in some cases, we might not need to make all of the files in a folder, in a repository, as a part of version control system. So in this case, let's say that we just want to copy this file to be copied. As for the images, like the images usually they will not change. Company profile, this is like information that will not change, so we don't need to have those as part of git. So there is something called gitignore, so we have to create it manually, or sometimes you can create it while you create the repository. So we do touch gitignore, and we can edit it. Ignore. So here we list the files that we don't want them to be part of the git. So as we said, we don't want the file called company profile.txt to be part of it. We don't want anything with JPEG. We don't need them there. So let's save and quit. So let's do git status again. We see here we only have this file instead of all of those files, and we also need to add gitignore, so it will ignore the other ones. So this is the benefit of adding gitignore. So let's add the files and commit. Adding .gitignore. So also notice that it is .gitignore. It's not like just gitignore txt or something. It's .gitignore. Git commit, and then git push origin master. We come here, we can see the gitignore file, and we don't see the other files that we didn't want to do. Thank you for viewing.